How to fix Power BI not connecting to data sources. If you are facing this problem, then watch this video till the end because I am going to give you the best solution. First of all, you can check your internet connection and reset your router and see whether this is causing the issue. You can also try to restart your Power BI and see whether this fixes this issue. You can do one more thing. You can go to your task manager. Just open task manager, and from here you can end task Power BI and other unnecessary programs. You can select here. You can see in processes Power BI is running, so you can just select this, and there is an option of at the bottom end task. Just press on this end task to end task this Power BI and then restart Power BI once again. After restarting Power BI, you need to add your file in Power BI and then see whether this issue get resolved or not. Otherwise, you can move to the next step, and the next step is to clear the cached credentials. For this, you need to go to the files option at the top and click on this. At the bottom you can see options and settings. Just tap on this. After that, you need to click on data source settings. Herein you need to click on this clear permission option and click on delete. Now you need to clear data cache. For this, again you need to go to the files and go to the options and settings option. For that, click on this options button. So you need to click on this first option, data load. Scroll down at the bottom, you can see data cache management option is showing. You can click on clear cache here, and here in also Q&A clear cache, and after that again click on clear cache for folder artifact cache. Just clear cache this one as well, and after clear cache for all these, just click on OK option. Now you can update data source connection settings. For this, you need to go to the home section of your Power BI, and after that you need to click on this transform data option and then click on data source setting. Herein you need to verify all the connection are correct, so like server names, database names, etc. Otherwise, you can change the name from here. You can right click here and you can change the sources or edit the permission here. It is you can edit permission, you can change names, and you can do other necessary changes from here. Otherwise, if required, you can clear the permission from here. You can clear all permission from here, and then you can start from the beginning. After doing all these steps, make sure to restart your PC and then try to check whether this issue got resolved or not. In case you face any problem, you can mention it in the comment section. I will make sure to give a reply. I will also give you all the steps in the video description. So if you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.